Hello everyone, good to be with you. This is meteorologist Erica Rascaeta at the One News Weather Center with your local weather report brought to you by Bud Clary Toyota dealer. Toyota, let's go places. Well, taking a look at the headlines, we are expecting a few lingering disturbances crossing through the next few days, but for us here across the Columbia Basin, we're going to remain relatively quiet. I'm expecting the chances of the rain and everything to remain mainly across the mountains, and then the next storm system will leave some major cool down and possibly even some mountain snow again for this weekend. First, take a closer look across conditions. Ephrata highs reached into the lower 50s. Overnight lows were definitely above average, more than 10 degrees above average, that is. We should be in the lower 30s. At least we didn't reach that record low of 5 degrees back in the 1900s. So basically what we're expecting as far as Columbia Basin, dry conditions as well. Low 50s for the high, upper 30s for the low. Definitely not record low of 12 degrees. We have remained relatively dry, just abundant cloud cover. And that's evident right now, mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures in the 40s and the dew point temperature pretty close. And like I've always mentioned, the closer these two are, the more moisture there is in the atmosphere, and that's what's basically allowing us those mostly cloudy skies. Winds will remain mainly from the south, blowing lightly between 5 and 10 miles per hour. So here's what we can see throughout the past 24 hours across the northwest. We did see that cold front swinging through, leaving some showers across the coastal areas and across the mountains, not quite reaching our area here across most of the Columbia Basin, leaving us just with abundant cloud cover. So what we can expect throughout the next 24 hours, once that front crosses through the mountains, it basically falls apart. It was never very strong to begin with anyway. So it continues to move out, but still some disturbances from Canada dropping down throughout the next few days throughout the work week, leaving some chances of showers, rain, and possibly even some snow across the inland northwest and even across the Cascades. For us, we're just expecting a few more clouds. That's going to remain further to the east of us. And finally, this weekend, the next major storm system coming through, that's going to leave us the next cool down and also the good chance of some mountain snow expected Friday, but especially into the weekend. So what we can expect on Wednesday, for us here across the Columbia Basin, dry conditions all across, just plenty of sunshine, partly to mostly sunny skies, although we are still expecting some cloud cover across the Cascades and coastal areas. But if we zoom in just a bit closer across the Columbia Basin, we're noticing here temperatures will remain in the upper 40s, low 50s, plenty of sunshine, very quiet days in store for us this Wednesday, and we'll take it because we are expecting some much cooler temperatures for this weekend. So taking a look at the extended outlook throughout the next few days, we are expecting very close to average temperatures the next few days, and then much cooler for the weekend where highs will be in the upper 40s and then upper 30s and low 40s for Sunday and into Monday. Then overnight lows then will be reaching into the 20s, so we'll be a few chilly days for the start of the work week. In the meantime, highs will be in the 50s, upper 40s, overnight lows in the 30s, so very close to average temperatures is what we're expecting. Partly sunny skies, just a few disturbances, leaving the chance of some showers, especially closer to the mountains. That's all for now at the moment. This weather report was brought to you by Bud Clary Toyota dealer. Toyota, let's go places. We'll be right back with some sports.